Hi students, welcome back to this video session. I remain Samuel Chukwu Emeka, aka Sam Don for Peace. In this video session, we shall continue our discussion on the solution of linear systems using matrix inverse method. This is the part 2, so it is highly recommended that you view the part 1 before you continue with this video. In part 1, we did the solution of 2x2 linear systems using the matrix inverse method. In this part 2, we shall do the solution of 3x3 linear systems using the matrix inverse method. So we have explained the concept in part 1, so we shall just get started in part 2. So we have our questions right there. We have 2 questions. Let's start with question 1. Now remember the formula. Our formula is that x is A inverse times B. Remember, this is our formula, so that is what we are going to use. We discussed that in part 1. Question 1, you have 2x plus 4y minus 3z is equal to negative 18. Then equation 2, you have y equal to z minus 3x minus 5. And equation 3, you have x minus 2y plus 4z equal to 14. So we check to make sure, we check to simplify, see whether we can simplify. We discussed the steps in part 1, the steps we use. So can we simplify equation 1? No. Equation 2, no. And equation 3, no. We cannot. There is 1 here. The coefficient of x here is 1, so we cannot. Then let us make sure that the variables are complete, and let us also align the variables. So we look at equation 1, x, y, z, and then the constant or the result. But here is not aligned. We still have y, z, x. So in equation 2, the variables are complete, but they are not aligned. They are not aligned. So we have to align it. Equation 3 is complete and aligned. So let's go ahead and align equation 2. So, but we have 2x plus 4y minus 3z is negative 18. Now if we have to align this is minus 3x. It comes over here, it becomes plus 3x. Y is here already, so this is plus y. When z comes over to the left hand side, it becomes minus z. And that will give us minus 5. So it is now complete, and we have aligned equation 2. Then equation 3, x minus 2y plus 4z equal to 14. So we got it now. Let's now write our matrix of coefficient. A will be 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, 4. Our x will be coefficient of the variables x, y, z. And then our b will be the coefficient of the constants, negative 18, negative 5, 14. All right. Now let's go ahead and find A inverse. So to find A inverse, we have 2, 3, 1, 4, 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, 4. And as usual, I prefer using the row reduction method. That is what I prefer. Now you might want to use the formula method if you want to. So I am using the row reduction method. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So what will be my operation here? This will be negative 3R1 plus 2R2, negative 3R1 plus 2R2, then negative R1 plus 2R3. So R1 remains unchanged, 2, 4, negative 3, 1, 0, 0, right? Then please view my videos on the row reduction method, the videos I did there, and also on inverse of matrices. So this is 2, 4, negative 3, 1, 0, 0. It remains unchanged. Now R2, negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. Then negative 3 plus 0 is negative 3. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0, 0 is 0. Right? Then negative 2 plus 2 is 0 for R3. Negative 4, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 is negative 8. Minus 4 is minus 8. Negative 3 is 3. 3 plus 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. Then negative 1. Negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. 0, 0 is 0. And 0 plus 2 times 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. Now, what is the next operation we do? We have this guy, 4 and negative 10. 4 and negative 10. You know, I don't like working with big numbers. You know, I don't know about you, but I don't like working with big numbers. If I see that they are factors, I can simplify it. That is what I do. So this is 2 and negative 5. That is what it means, right? 2 and negative 5. So what I'll have now is 2R2 plus 5R1. Then I have a negative 10 and negative 8. Minus 10 minus 8. So this is minus 5 minus 4. If I simplify it, so this will give me minus 5 minus 4 R2 plus 5R3, right? Because this is R2 R1. This is R2 R3. R2 here, R3. So minus 4 R2 plus 5 R3. That is right. And this is R1. This is R1 R2. So this is 5 R1 plus 2 R2 plus 5 R1. Okay. So what we have now, R2 is unchanged. So this is 0 minus 10 7 minus 3 2 0. Okay. Then 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times negative 10, negative 20 plus 20 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 times 3, minus 15. 14 minus 15 is minus 1. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 times 0, 0 is 0. Then row 3, 0, 0 is 0. Negative 4 times negative 10 is 40. 5 times negative 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. Negative 28 plus 4 times 7 is 28. Negative 28 plus 55. 55 minus 28. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So that would be, negative 28 plus 55 is 27. And negative, you see how I'm doing it step by step, so you don't make mistake. Okay? Slow and correct is much better than fast and incorrect. Slow and correct is much better than fast and incorrect. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is what? 7. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Plus 0 is negative 8. Negative 4 times 0 is 0. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. 10. Alright. This one comes next. What operation should we use? So what we have here is R3 plus 27 R1, then negative 7 R3 plus 27 R2. So R3 is unchanged, 0, 0, 27, 7, negative 8, 10. 0 plus 27 times 10 is 270. 0, 0 is 0. 27 minus 27 is 0. 7 minus 27 is minus 20. Minus 8 plus 27 times 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 8 carry 2. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2, 10. Minus 8. Right? Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 108 is 100. 100. Then 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. Then next, row 2, 0, 0 is 0. Negative 0 plus 27 times 10 is minus 270. Minus 270. Of course, this will give you 0. Minus 7 times 27 plus 27 times 7 is 0. Then here, minus 7 times 7 is minus 49. Then plus 27 times 3 times 7 is 21. 1 carry 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. Okay? So what is going to be minus? This is 10 and this is 130. Minus 130. Minus 130. Then negative, negative 56. 56 plus 54 gives what? 110. 56 plus 54 is 110. So 110. Then negative 70. Negative 70 plus 0 is negative 70. Alright. we will now have what? R1 over 270, then negative R2 over 270, then R3 over 27. So if we do that, what do we have now? We have 100, negative 20 over 270, negative 20 over 270, 100 over 270, and then 10 over 270. Then row 2, we have 0, 1, 0. Now this is negative. Negative is positive. So this is 130 over 270. Then this is a negative 110 over 270 and 70 over 270. 70 over 270. Right? Because negative is positive. Then the row 3, we have 0, 0, 1, 7 over 27, negative 8 over 27, and then 10 over 27. This is what we got here. This is our A inverse. We have that our A inverse will now be, let's simplify this. This is negative 2 over 27. This is 10 over 27. This is 1 over 27. Then row 2, 13 over 27. Negative 11 over 27. 7 over 27. Row 3, 7 over 27. Negative 8 over 27. And then 10 over 27. This is our A inverse. And we still remember that our B, we still remember that our B is what? Negative 18, negative 5, and then 14. So let's go ahead and find X. See that our X is A inverse times B. And our X is what? X, Y, Z should be A inverse is negative 2 over 27. This is 13 over 27. 7 over 27. 10 over 27. Negative 11 over 27. Negative 8 over 27. 1 over 27. 7 over 27. And then 10 over 27. And you know what? At times B is negative 18, negative 5, and then 14. You know what? You can actually make, if you don't like fractions, because everything is over 27. You can, if you want, and we could do that if you want. Okay, we could just. We could do this because later on we still multiply it by over 27 anyway. We could do it this way, 1 over 27, since everybody has a denominator as 27. So you can do 1 over 27 if you don't like fractions. This is negative 2, 10, 1. Okay. And this is 13, negative 11, 7, 7, negative 8, 10. Then multiply negative 18, negative 5, 14. And you know this is now a scalar. A scalar. Yeah, it's the same thing. Now this is a 3 by 3, and this is what? 3 by 1. So this is conformable for multiplication, because the number of columns here is equal to the number of rows here. Now, we can deal with this last. We can deal with it last. if you don't like fractions. But if you like, you can go ahead and multiply it. All depends what you like. Now, let's go ahead. If we use this will now be, if we multiply those, it will be negative 2 times negative 18. Now, this is still 1 over 27 here. Negative 2 times negative 18 plus 10 times negative 5 plus 1 times 14. Then we have 13 times negative 18 plus negative 11 times negative 5 plus 7 times 14. Third row, 7 times negative 18 plus negative 8 times negative 5 plus 10 times 14. So this will be 1 over 27. Negative 2 times negative 18 is 36. Minus 50 plus 14. Then 13 times 18 is what? 13, 18, 4, 2, 8 plus 2, 10, right? 8 times 3, 24, 4, 2, 10. Then this is 13. 4, 234. Negative 234 plus 55 plus 7 times 4 is 28, 8, 2, 7 times 1, 7 plus 2, 9, 98. Then this is negative 7 times 8 is 56, 5, 7 times 1, 7 plus 5, 12, negative 126, plus 8 times 5 is, negative 8 times negative 5 is 40, then plus 140. So this will be 1 over 27 times 36 plus 14 is what? Is 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. Yeah, or 36 minus 50 is minus 14. Minus 14 plus 14 is 0. Negative 234 plus 55 will be what? 234 minus 55. 14 minus 5 is 9. 12 minus 5 is 7. Right? Then negative, that's negative 179, okay, plus 98. So this is 181, okay. Negative 81, negative 179 plus 98 is negative 81. So negative 81. Then negative 126 plus 40 plus 40, this is a 6, negative 86, right? Plus 140, 140 minus 86. 4, 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, 54. So this is actually 0 over 27, negative 81 over 27, 54 over 27. See that our XYZ will be 0 divided by 27 is 0. Negative 81 divided by 27 is negative 3. And then 54 divided by 27 is 2. So this means that X is 0, Y is negative 3, Z is 2. From equality of matrices. And this becomes your answer. Do you stop here? No. What do? You check. So we have to check for all of them. We check. Let's check for equation 1. 2x plus 4y minus, and you check with the main equation, folks. You check with the main equation. Main equation, not the modified equation. Main equation. So this is negative 18. This is the first equation. Left hand side, right hand side. Right hand side is negative 18. Left hand side 2x plus 4y minus 3z. So this is 2 times 0 plus 4 times negative 3 minus 3 times negative 2 minus 3 times 2. 2 times 0 plus 4 times negative 3 minus 3 times 2. So this is 0 minus 12 minus 6, and that is minus 18. And then you can just jump up a little. Don't jump up too much to touch the sky, because to touch the ceiling, because you have only checked for one. You have to check for the other two. Okay, so in this case, you just jump up a little, just a little. Equation 2, y equal to z minus 3x minus 5. So we have left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side is y, right hand side is z minus 3x minus 5. You check with the main equation, not the modified equation. So our y is negative 3. Then our right hand side, z is 2 minus 3 times 0 minus 5. So 2 minus 0 minus 5. 2 minus 5, which is minus 3. Now you jump up, but jump a little above what you jumped before. Boom! Then the last equation, x minus 2y plus 4z equal to 14. Left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side is x minus 2y plus 4z. Right hand side is 14. So this is x is 0 minus 2 times minus 3 plus 4 times 2. So minus 2 times minus 3 is what? 6. So this is 6 plus 8, and that is 14. 14 on your left, 14 on your right. Jump up and touch the ceiling. Yo. Now let's go to question 2. Question 2, 3x minus 2y plus z is equal to 9. X plus y plus 4z is equal to 4. 2x plus 3z is equal to minus 1. So let's look at this. Can we simplify equation 1? 3 minus 2, 1, 9. No, we cannot. Equation 2, 1, 1, 4, 4. No, we cannot. Equation 3, 2, 3 minus 1. No, we cannot. Now let's check the variables. Are they complete? Equation 1 is complete and aligned. Equation 2 is complete and aligned. Equation 3. There is a problem with equation 3. What is the problem? Something is missing in equation 3. And that is what? Y. Y is missing. So we have to complete it. We've got to. So let's complete and align everything. 3x minus 2y plus z is 9. X plus y plus 4z is 4. 2x plus 0y. Because if you want to complete it, you now have to put 0y. You've got to put 0y. If you have to complete it, 0y. So 2x plus 0y plus 3z is minus 1 to complete it. Now what do we have here, folks? Let's write out our a, b, and x. So a is the matrix of coefficients. We have 3, 1, 2, negative 2, 1, 0, and 1, 4, 3. That is our a. 3, 1, 2 for x, negative 2, 1, 0 for y, and 1, 4, 3 for z. Then our x is x, y, z, x, y, z. Then our b matrix of constants is 9, 4, negative 1. Okay, let's find the inverse of A. You can actually pause this video now, pause it, and try to find the inverse on your own. Then you can check whether you are correct. This will be 3, 1, 2, negative 2, 1, 0, 1, 4, 3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So what do we have? The operations, negative R1 plus 3 R2, negative 2 R1 plus 3 R3. So we have R1 is unchanged. We have 3, negative 2, 1, 1, 0, 0. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Negative, negative 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Negative 1 plus 4 times 3, 12. Negative 1 plus 12 is 11. Negative 1 plus 12 is 11. Negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. 0 plus 3 is 3. 0, 0 is 0. Here, row 3, negative 6 plus 6 is 0. Negative, negative, positive, 2 times 2, 4. Plus 0 is 4. Negative 2 plus 9. Negative 2 plus 9 is 7. Then negative 2 plus 0 is negative 2. 0, 0 is 0. And 0 plus 3 is 3. We write the next operation. We have 2R2 plus 5R1, then negative 4R2 plus 5R3. So R2 is unchanged. We have 0, 5, 11, negative 1, 3, 0. Then 0 plus 5 times 3 is 15. 15. 2 times 5, 10. Minus 10 is 0. Then 2 times 11, 22. 22 plus 5. 22 plus 5 is 27. Then 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Negative 2 plus 5. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Right? Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Then 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 times 0, 0 plus 0, 0 is 0. Then row 3, 0, 0 is 0. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. Negative 44 plus 35. Negative 44 plus 35 is negative 1. 40 minus 5 is 9. Negative 9. Negative 44 plus 35 is negative 9. Negative, negative 4 plus 5 times 2, 10. 4 plus 10 is what? 14. Okay? 4 plus 10 is 14. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Plus 0, negative 12. Then 0 plus 5 times 3, 15. 15. Right? Let's look at this again. Negative 4 times negative 1, 4 plus. Okay, there's something here. Negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. 4 minus 10. You see, there's a mistake I made here. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. Then plus 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Then negative 12 plus 0 is negative 12. 0 plus 15, 15. Hey, negative 44 plus 35 is negative 9. You want to always check it to make sure. Okay? Then the next one, row 3, we have, I don't like, I want to use simple numbers. I want to simplify the numbers. 27, negative 9, this is R1, this is R3. So this is like, okay, this is like 3R3 plus R1. Are you with me? Because 3 times negative 9 is negative 27 plus R1. Then this will be 11R3 plus 9R2. So this will be 0, R3 is unchanged, 0, 0, negative 9, 0, 0, negative 9, negative 6, negative 12, 15. Right? Then 0, 3 times 0, 0 plus 15 is 15. 0, 0 is 0. Negative 27 plus 27 is 0. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. 3 times negative 6 is negative 18 plus 3 is negative 15. 3 times negative 12 is negative 36 plus 6 is negative 30. 3 times 15 is 45 plus 0 is 45. 45. Row 2, 0, 0 is 0. 11 times 0 is 0 plus 9 times 5 is 45. Negative 99 plus 99 is 0. 11 times negative 6 is negative 66. Negative 66 minus 9 is negative 75. Negative 75. 11 times negative 12 is negative 132. Negative 132 plus 27. Right? Negative 132 plus 27. This is 5. This is 0. This is 1. Negative 105. Right? Negative 105. Then 11 times 15 is what? 11 times 15 plus 0. 11 times 15, so this is 55, and this is 11, so this is 165. 165, 165. Okay. Let's go ahead and finish this stuff up. Let's finish this stuff up. We now have that we have R1 over 15, R2 over 45, and then negative R3 over 9. Okay, so what we got here, 1, 0, 0. Negative 15 over 15 is negative 1. Negative 30 over 15 is negative 2. 45 over 15 is 3. Then 0, 1, 0. Negative 75 over 45, we shall simplify it. Negative 105 over 45. And then 165 over 45. R3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Negative, negative, 6 over 9. We have 6 over 9 here. Then negative, negative, 12. 12 over 9. Then negative 15 over 9. Negative 15 over 9. So our A inverse is, let's simplify this stuff now. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. 15 into 75 is what? 15 into 75 is 5, right? So this is negative 5 over 3. Now 15 into 75 is 5. Okay, 15 into 45 is 3. Now 15 into negative 105. 15 times 7, 7. So this is negative 7 over 3. And of course we did that, that will be 15 times 11. That gave us 11, 165. So this is 11 over 3. Then this will be 2 over 3, because 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 9 is 3, 3 into 12 is 4, 3 into 9 is 3, 3 into negative 15 is negative 5 over 3. Okay, the only one that is not over 3 is the first. Okay, this is not over 3, so we can't just do over 3 like that. No, we cannot. Like we did in the first question. Yeah, we cannot come and do over 3, no, because everybody is not over 3. Do you understand what I'm saying? Our B here is, our B is still what now? 9, 9, 4, negative 1. 9, 4, negative 1. Now we have that our X is A inverse times B. So that means that our X is XYZ will be A inverse is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. I'm sorry, negative 1, negative 2, 3. Negative 5 over 3. Negative 7 over 3. I am doing this by row. 11 over 3. Then 2 over 3. 4 over 3. Negative 5 over 3. Times 9, 4, negative 1. Of course, we know that this will be conformable for multiplication, because this is 3 by 3 and this is 3 by 1. So we know it's conformable for multiplication. Now let's multiply this. When we do that, this will be negative 1 times 9 plus negative 2 times 4 plus 3 times negative 1. Then we have a negative 5 over 3 times 9 plus negative 7 over 3 times 4 plus 11 over 3 times negative 1. Right? Then third row, 2 over 3 times 9 plus 4 over 3 times 4 plus negative 5 over 3 times negative 1. So what we got now? What do we have? This will be negative 9 plus negative 8. Minus 9 minus 8 minus 3. Right? Minus 9 minus 8 minus 3. Then this will be negative 45 over 3. Why don't we go ahead and multiply it? Okay, let's just leave it in 3, because this does not have, I would have just divided this, but I see that this cannot divide, so I just leave it. Later I will divide everything by 3. So this is a negative 45 over 3 minus 28 over 3 minus 11 over 3. Then third row, this will be 18 over 3 plus 16 over 3 plus 5 over 3. Alright, so we now have that x, y, z is equal to minus 9 minus 8 is minus 17. Minus 17 minus 3 is minus 20. Right? This will be minus 45 plus 28. 45 plus 28 is 73 plus 11, 84. 84. So this is minus 84 over 3. Then 18 plus 21. 18 plus 21 is 39. 39 over 3. Alright folks, what do we have now? What we got now? We now have negative 20, and this is negative 3 into 8 is 2, 6, 6, 24 is 8, negative 28, and then this is 13. So what does this tell us? That x is negative 20, y is negative 28, and then z is 13. Do we stop here? No. We have to do what? C-H-E-C-K. In checking, we use the main equation, not the modified equation. And it must be true for equations 1, equations 2, and equations 3. Equation 1, 3x minus 2y plus z is 9. Left hand side, right hand side. Right hand side is 9, left hand side 3x minus 2y plus z. So this will be 3 times negative 20 minus 2 times negative 28 plus 13. Right? So this will be what? Negative 60 plus 56 plus 13. Negative 60 plus 56 is what? Negative 4 plus 13, and that is 9. 9 on your left, 9 on your right. You eat some vegetables. Vegetables. Spinach, greens, what else? What other vegetables? Yeah, eat vegetables. Then we have to check for equation 2. Now, x plus y plus 4z is equal to 4. Left hand side, right hand side. So this is x plus y plus 4z, and this is 4. X is what? Minus 20 plus y is minus 28 plus 4 times 13. So minus 20 minus 28 plus this is what? 52. Right? So this is minus 48 plus 52 will give you what? 4. And this, you have to do what? You have to do some exercise, do some exercise to get in shape. Get fit to do some mathematics. Alright, the next one we have to check the third equation so that we make sure we are right. Okay, we have to check the third equation so we can make sure we are right. 2x plus 3z is equal to negative 1. Left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side is 2x plus 3z, right hand side negative 1. So 2x is what? 2 times negative 20 plus 3 times 13. Negative 40 plus 39, negative 1. Negative 1 on your left, negative 1 on your right. Drink some water. Don't drink beer or soda. Water. drink water. Okay? Now, thank you so much for listening, students. Watch out for other videos as well. We're going to, if you can sit tight, we will use the Cramer's rule, method of determinants, solve and check these equations. Okay? Using the method of determinants for K-by-K. Thank you so much. And you have a good evening.